In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove Constant Contact logo from email. If you want a cleaner and more customized look for your email campaign, removing the Constant Contact logo from the footer is a simple process. I will walk you through it clearly so you can make the change without confusion. Start by opening your email campaign in the editor. This is important because the logo setting is usually controlled inside the email design itself, not from the general account dashboard. Once your campaign is open, give the page a moment to fully load so all editable sections are visible and responsive. Next, click directly on the footer block of your email. The footer is the section near the bottom of the message, where branding, legal details, and contact information are often displayed. When you click on that block, the editing options for the footer should appear. Be sure you click the actual footer area and not another content block, since each section has its own settings. After that, look over to the left-hand sidebar menu. In this panel, find the branding option or the logo option. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on the version of the editor you are using, but it should be located within the footer settings. This is the area that controls whether the Constant Contact branding appears in your email. Once you find that setting, switch the toggle to off. Turning that option off removes the Constant Contact logo from the footer, giving your email a more branded and polished appearance. If the toggle is available, this is usually the quickest way to make the change. In some cases, you may not see a switch to turn the logo off. If that happens, it usually means your current plan does not support removing the branding. In that situation, select a plan that includes this feature and subscribe to it. After upgrading, return to the email editor, click the footer again, and check the branding or logo setting. You should then be able to turn it off. As a final tip, once the logo has been removed, review the footer to make sure everything still looks balanced and professional. It is also a good idea to preview the email before sending so you can confirm the footer appears exactly the way you want. That covers everything you need to know.